It was nice in Cowland, just like every other day. That's why all the little cows were eating without delay. Every white black spotted cow was busy eating. Then the dog barked. It was time for leaving. The white and black cows went into the stable, and that's when everything began in this fable. The cows had a great meal and felt like a gem, but no one knew what was awaiting them. The timid little brown cow felt sad but sociable, until he spoke and didn't even feel acceptable. The others started saying very rude things, because they did not know how those words would sting. When little brown cow heard these words, he knew his new life all went downwards. Knowing they would never like his presence, he started crying for being an annoyance. The next day, when the normal cows were playing ball aggressively, they threw the ball over the fence and it fell too far, unfortunately. None of them would want to go over the fence, because they were scared of the guard dog with the sixth sense. Little brown cow, always being the brave one, he went to do what had to be done. He went to get the ball without fear, hoping that the guard dog wouldn't hear. Having brought back their circular object, one cow realized he shouldn't be a reject. Seeing the brown cow being sad and alone, he thought, why should he be in our red zone? Normal black cow then had a change of heart. All he wanted was a fresh new start. All the other cows admired his courage. They no longer see the little brown cow as a savage. Later that day, they all partied and ate hay. All the cows in Cowland remained friends to this day.